Behold the Zenvo Aurora 2025, a Danish hybrid hypercar powered by a quad-turbo V12 delivering up to 1,850 horsepower. At the front, the Zenvo Aurora presents its refined yet fierce face. A redefined hexagonal grille leads into porous side vents revealing educational suspension components, part chassis, part sculpture. Slim triple-blade LED running lights sit above a sharp carbon splitter designed to feed airflow through the underfloor tunnels. The exposed carbon fiber monocoque shows boldly under showroom lights, signaling engineering as visual art. From the rear, the Aurora's silhouette tumbles from the roofline into a striking quad exhaust array encased in a hexagonal structure. Beneath lies an enormous exposed diffuser with visible suspension arms stylized as part of the aesthetic. Slim rear LED modules accentuate performance intent, all framed by the visible carbon architecture, technical prowess on full display. The side view captures the Zenvo Aurora's flowing silhouette, clean butterfly door seams, sweeping roofline, and door-top air ducts guiding air into side pods feeding intercoolers. Exposed subframe segments and pushrod linkage suspension hints make the car look like kinetic sculpture. Reflections on the showroom floor highlight its aero lines, center-lock wheels, and balance of raw complexity and Scandinavian minimalism. Inside, the Aurora melds minimalism with precision. Seats are mounted directly to the carbon monocoque as part of the structure, while three circular analog-infused displays provide infotainment and telemetry without diverging attention. The steering wheel's spoke-mounted rotary controls govern drive mode and navigation. Exposed carbon structure and fine metal trim emphasize sensory connection over digital clutter, inviting the driver into an immersive, engagement-first cockpit. Seen from overhead, you're drawn to the roof-mounted snorkel intake that channels air across V12 intercoolers. Flow tunnels sculpted into the chassis direct wind cleanly toward the rear diffuser. Carbon weave continuity from glasshouse to rear deck also reveals a purposeful split between Tour and Agil configurations. Above, raw structure meets refined form in aerodynamic harmony. Here's the Aurora's rear wheel in macro detail, a center-lock magnesium rim wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R rubber, ready for track and road. Carbon ceramic brakes clamped by Alcon calipers handle immense force. Visible suspension and subframe components peek behind the wheel hub, combining functional tech with sculptural design, lifted by reflective ambient reflections. This angle highlights the precision choreographed door hinge meeting the carbon monocoque, engineered for strength and airflow. The butterfly door joint integrates an air duct that channels wind over the door and into the cooling system. Exposed titanium fasteners and monocoque cords reinforce structural integrity, proof that nothing here is concealed, everything crafted. With the top view removed, the heart of the Aurora becomes visible, a quad-turbo V12 cylinder head framed by braided intake piping, electric motor housings, and intercooler ducts. Surrounding carbon weave panels integrate smoothly with structural subframes. This exposed engine layout isn't just visual theater, it illustrates the machine's raw essence, every component proudly placed. If you choose the Agil variant, this wing transforms the cabin silhouette, a track-ready, active rear wing that doubles as air brake. Integrated aero flaps extend at speed to generate downforce, supported by carbon arms that connect to diffuser geometry. Illuminated overhead, the assembly's mechanics become art, highlighting Agil's fierce purpose-built aerodynamics. Finally, this shot reveals the Aurora's suspension revealed, pushrod-actuated damping feeding into double wishbone arms that are aerodynamically shaped, with airflow vanes guiding cooling air past brake ducts. The carbon fiber knuckles and linkages appear as visible structural art rather than hidden mechanics. It's engineering exposed, stunning from every angle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car showcases.